Hi guys, welcome to my channel Unique Maths Technique. In this video, I'll explain an easy technique for multiplication of two digits where one number is above the base and another number is below the base. Before I proceed, I request you all to see my previous multiplication and subtraction videos to understand the adjustment which we'll be doing in this technique. Let's take an example of 22 into 18. Here the base is 20. So 22 is more than 20 by plus 2 and 18 is less than 20 by minus 2. These signs are really very important, so always make it a point of writing next to the number. So now we'll be doing this multiplication in two parts, that is right hand side and left hand side. So in right hand side we'll be multiplying plus 2 into minus 2, so we get minus 4. So instead of writing minus sign next to the number, we'll be putting a bar. So whenever you see a bar number, that means it's a negative figure. Now in this step, we'll be applying all from 9 and last from 10 sutra. So in this sutra, we basically subtract the last digit by 10 and the other digits by 9. So here in this example, we have only one digit. So that is why we'll be subtracting 4 by 10. So 10 minus 4 gives us 6, and this 6 is a right hand side figure. Now for the left hand side, we'll be subtracting 22 by 2. Why are we subtracting? Because we have minus sign next to the 2. So we get 20. Even if we add 18 plus 2, we will get the same figure as 20. Now the most important step will be multiplying this 20 by 2. Why? Because our base is 20. So by multiplying 20 into 2, we get 40. And now this 40 we will reduce by 1. And why are we reducing by 1? Because in all from 9 and last from 10 sutra, the number which is next to the bar number is reduced by 1. So here we get 40 minus 1 as 39. So we get the answer of 396 by combining left hand side and right hand side. Now let's take another example of 87 into 102. So here the base is 100 and 87 is less than 100 by minus 13 and 102 is more than 100 by plus 2. Now we'll be doing this multiplication in two parts, that is right hand side and left hand side. So in right hand side we'll be multiplying minus 13 plus 2, we get minus 26. So instead of writing minus sign next to 26, we are putting a bar. So now in this step, we'll be applying all from 9 and last from 10 sutra. So in this example, we have two digits. So the last digit is subtracted by 10. So that is why 10 minus 6 gives us 4. And this 4 we will write it in right hand side. And 2 will be subtracted by 9. Because in all from 9 and last from 10 sutra, the last digit is subtracted by 10 and the other digits are subtracted by 9. So here we have two digits, that is why 6 was subtracted by 10 and this 2 is subtracted by 9. So we get 9 minus 2 as 7 and this 7 we will write next to the 4. So we get 74 in our right hand side. Now for the left hand side, we'll be adding 87 plus 2 because there's a plus sign next to 2. So we get 89. Even if we subtract 102 by 13, because there's a minus sign next to 13. So if we subtract 102 minus 13, so we get the same figure as 89. So now this 89 we will be multiplying by 1. Why? Because our base is 100. So we get 89. Because 89 into 1 is 89, and now this 89 we will subtract by 1. Why we are reducing by 1? Because in all from 9 and last from 10 sutra, the number which is next to the bar number is reduced by 1. So we get 89 minus 1 as 88. So this is our answer, 8874 by combining left hand side and right hand side. So this multiplication is really very simple. It's just few things you all need to keep in mind, that the signs are really very important. whenever you see a bar number, that means it's a negative figure. Here during the bar number, we have to apply all from 9 and last from 10 sutra. In last from all from 9 and last from 10 sutra, the last digit is subtracted by 10 and the second last digit or the other digits are subtracted by 9, and the digit which is next to the bar number is reduced by 1. I hope this video was useful. I'll be uploading more videos on various other techniques, so please do subscribe to my channel Unique Maths Techniques, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for notification. For various maths techniques application, do like my page, Facebook page Unique Maths Techniques. The link is given in the description. Thank you so much for watching.